Well, on one level, I will have to insist na if you're going to quote Bible verses on policy issues, talaga magkakaproblema ka.
Mhm.
If you're going to quote Bible verses on policy or political issues, magkakaproblema ka kasi ka talaga because not in the polity, not everyone in the polity
Correct.
believe in the Bible. Diba? So, if you're going to quote the Bible to talk about, social issues, for example, social matters like parenthood or paano ba child rearing, ganyan, pwede pa yon, no? Kasi that resonates in our society. But if you're going to talk political matters, di ba? Or policy matters, and then you're going to quote the Bible, talagang magiging divisive figure ka.
Ayun.
And I think that's what happened to Senator Cayetano na ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay leadership ng Senado tapos you will quote the Bible. Talagang magkakaroon yan ng divisive effect.
Hindi lahat talaga ay
Alam mo,
mauunawaan.
Doon ako